first step is to turn on your revolution. You are going to hold down the left button to enter the setup menu. Scroll right using the right button until you see Setup Speed Limit. Long press the right button to change your max speed. So in this case, we're going to set it to 20 miles per hour, and you will long press the right button to change digits and get out of that menu. Next thing we'll do is the power limit. We're going to change the max power to 750 watts, and you'll do that by long pressing the right button. And when you're done, you long press to go to the next digit. And once you do that, you are 100% class 2, 750 watt, 20 mile an hour speed limit. And to get out of the menu, you're going to press the right button until you leave setup. And that is it.